To create your own AI cover song, start by finding the music you want to cover on YouTube and download the audio track. Then, visit the website x-pro and click on Vocal Remover to upload the song you downloaded. This will separate the vocals and the music into 2 files. Download both of them. Next, go to the website Musicfy and log in with your Gmail account. Click on Parody Vocals and upload the separated vocals you just created. On the right side of the page, select the voice you want to use for singing the song from the list provided. Click on Remix and download the audio track, which now contains the selected vocals. Now, you need to combine the vocals with the instrumentals. You can use any editing software like the free programs DaVinci Resolve, Audacity, or CapCut for this step. After blending the vocals with the music, export the final song as an MP3 or WAV file. For more tutorials, click here.